Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Portal YouTube channel on a new video of Microsoft Excel Visual Basic for Application series that is currently running into my channel. So friends, today in this video we are going to talk about some brief details of VBA loop syntax. This might be a theoretical video, so watch this video till the end to have a brief details about for loop syntax mainly. So guys, how do we write and declare our variables and write codes in our Visual Basic editor, right? So at first we need to go to the developer tab, go to Visual Basic, or you can directly press the Alt and F11 key to directly get into it. But first let's insert a new module by clicking on insert then module. Every time we start with a sub procedure following the sub procedure name, right? The for next loop allows you to repeat a block of code a specified number of times. So the mainly we need to start like this: sub for each underscore count to 10. Now that's our sub procedure name. Hit enter, come to the next line, write here your variable name that was by using dim n as select your variable type as integer, right? Hit enter, come to the next line, type for n equals to 1 to 10. Hit enter, press the tab button, come to the next line of n. To indent your code, type msg box space n. Hit enter, come to the next line of for, right? Here type next n. Hit enter, come to the next line. Now this code will count 1 to 10 into the message box. Now this next n is the closing statement to the for next loop. You can include the counter or not. However, I strongly recommend including the counter as it makes your code easier to read, right? So if I run this code into my Excel workbook, come to that Excel workbook, go to the developer tab, click on macros and select that just created code, then click on run. Look at here, one message box is showing and that will count from 1 to 10, right? So that's all for today friends. I hope you like this video and learned something new about for next loop. I will come back soon with another interesting video like this, and I will give you the link of downloading this workbook into the description box. Please check that. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel and keep practicing.